I just had a part delivered for the C5 Corvette that I bet a lot of you guys might not even know you're missing. All right, let's get this thing open. Well, here it is, and you're gonna have to ignore the mess from opening this up. I know it looks like a small part, but it's gonna completely change the back end of the C5 Corvette. Just wait. It looks like this is gonna be a super easy install. Just 4 clips on the back, looks like it just pushes right in. There we go, it's as simple as those 4 clips, and it totally transforms the rear end of this car. And you know, it's such a little thing, I didn't even realize I was missing it until a couple days ago. I was trying to put a license plate frame on this car, and it just wouldn't fit. There are these couple of these clips down here on the bottom that prop up the license plate, and the frame wouldn't go over it. So after that, I did some digging, and I realized that Corvettes are supposed to have this plastic bezel around the license plate that functions kind of like a frame. And you know, with this on, I'd say you don't even need to run a license plate frame because it looks so good just like this. But let's go ahead and do the before and after so you can see what a difference this thing truly makes. I'll go ahead and leave a link to where I purchased this down below in the description. But that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching.